Welcome back mga kaibigan. Happy New Year sa lahat. Narito ko ngayon kasama si Mrs. T. Actually, nandito lang ako sa bench. At naghihintay sa mag-iina ko kay Mrs. T, Juniorita at Bunsonita. At kumuha sila ng pasaporte. Yung mga bata, kinukuha namin, na-expire na yung passport nila eh. Kaya kinukuha namin ay 10 years, I think $160 ang for 10 years at express yung kinukuha namin para sa mga bata, para makapag-travel na rin yung Juniorita ko at Bunsonita kasi mag-travel sila out of country sa school related, kaya school related din, kaya importante na makuha namin yung pasaporte nila. Beginning of the year, mabuti yung may bago sila at na pasaporte. Mahaba ang pila, hindi ko may papakita sa inyo, maybe sisimplihan ko mamaya, pero it's siguro mga hopefully a little over an hour kami dito, pero there's a good chance mga 2 hours it went, pero hindi namin malaman, kaya gusto ko lang makagawa ng content dahil Friday ngayon at hopefully ma-upload ko ito ngayon habang naghihintay sa kanila. Again, another impromptu ng inyong lingkod at wala talaga akong naisip na content. Gusto ko lang magbati ulit sa inyo ng manibong bagong taon sa lahat at sana yung ating mga pangarap, prioridad ay magawa natin ngayon, makamta natin. The weather naman dito sa GTA, it's -5, feels like -10, -12 pag umihip ang hangin. Kaya sa mga nagbubus na wala pang sakyan at matagal ang commute ninyo ay 2 hours average, an hour, 2 hours average, one way. That's typical dito sa city. Just be prepared, make sure you layer up. Yun ang pinakamagandang option ninyo, at make sure you got those little things na magpapawarm sa inyo tulad ng gloves, gaiter, and layer na hats at wool ang advice ko sa inyo na kunin. Kung wala pa kayong wool, then mag-upisa kayo sa synthetic. Never cotton, ha? Never cotton. Again, kaibigan, maging regular na ang pag-upload ko ng mga videos. Hopefully may katuturan sa karamihan sa inyo. Mostly DIY tips. Again, kotse, weather, how to dress properly, at mga fixes ng mga malit kung mga machines. Papakita ko sa inyo yung loob ng building ito kung saan ako naghihintay. Tiyampuan ko lang na wala masyadong nakatingin sa akin. Alright? Kaibigan, hanggang sa muli, padayon.
Used to be Mamalita's apartment, right there, the brown building on the left. It's in Kamar. That's Druri. This is Kamar Avenue. That's Druri Avenue. Ella's first apartment. Ella and Roger before they have Renee and Deborah. And Mamalita and Papa Bebong. It's right there on the second floor.
Si Mrs. Tia nagtutour sa inyo at sinasabi niya yung aming kaibigan at yung aming ninang.
I know someone's apartment is that one over there. I can't remember which one, which of Mama's friend.
Sergeant Slowly. I love this song, anak.
Sergeant Pepper Slowly.
Do you know this song?
Well, are you
gotta know this song. Sergeant Pepper slowly, Sergeant Pepper slowly, Sergeant Pepper slowly.
Oh, it's Mercy.
sinasabi nila anak na he's the duplicate, kapalit ni imposter Paul McCartney. Oh, kids, listen to this song. Listen to the lyrics. What would you think if I sang out of tune? Would you stand up and walk out on me? Lend me your ears and I'll sing you a song, and I'll try not to sing out of key. Oh, I get by with a little help from my friends. Ito ang center point. Ito ba? Diyan nag-hangout ang mga Pilipino. 90% dyan.
Jollibee!
Of course, I'm exaggerating. Jollibee.
It's right in the corner.
Marami mga Pilipino dito sa neighborhood dito sa lugar. Sa plaza, sa food court na lang doon ay maraming makikita mo, marami tayong mga kababayan. I need somebody to love, to agree that you I want somebody to love. Anak, I can't tell you but I know it's mine. Let's look out for Johnny Strides. Oldest what?
Burger place.
Oldest burger place.
One of the oldest, yeah. Right there. They're still alive. There. Golden Star.
Heading north. At Yonge Street ang binabaybay namin. You can see wala na masyadong buildings. At least maganda yung ulap. Alapaak. Look at that. Ang ganda ng ulap.
Maybe on summertime we'll go from end to end of Yonge Street.
Turo ni Mrs. T, Octagon Steakhouse. It's not the keg, but isa sa mga matatanda steakhouse. Nandito kami sa just town of Thornhill pa? Thornhill. Isa sa mga kilala rin, Old Town sa north ng Toronto, GTA.